Hey guys, welcome back to Firearms and Fellowship. We're in the lab tonight. Now, I had to put the brakes on this Remington project because I've had family in town for the weekend and I've just been really busy. But we are going to finish this up next week. For those of you that are just jumping in, this barrel is painted. The action is painted, and we're using the citrus strip to take the paint off of it and return it to original. We did a test on the bolt and it came out just wonderfully. So we're getting to that project soon, I promise. But I got a couple things in the mail today that I wanted to share with you. One, this is a package that was sent to me by Bill Dye, who's been an OG of the channel, and I enjoy his comments and our conversations on the phone. He sent me something. I don't know what it is, so we're going to open it up together. Yeah, that's one of the neat things about YouTube is you get to meet a lot of really neat people. And Bill Dye always has some wonderful things to share. And he is a generous man. I will say this is from Midway, which is exciting. They sell cool stuff at Midway, don't they? And yeah, we appreciate Mr. Dye's support of the channel. And what do we have here? 123-piece universal screwdriver set. My goodness, Bill, what have you done? What have you done? Let's see. We got some bubble wrap here. Get that off. Yeah. Okay, Midway USA. We got a couple little, hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing here. Okay, we're gonna cut that off and that. Let's take a look here. Oh, wow. Wow, look at that. Man. Now that is a nice bit set. Wow. I was the other day working on, when I was taking this Remington 511 apart, I have a bit set that I've had for years, but it is limited in the bits that it has, and the action bolt to get the action and barrel out of the stock. I just didn't have one that fit quite right. But oh wow, yeah, like certain bits like this. You see how it's got that curve, but it's flat ground. Man, this is absolutely wonderful. Wonderful. Thank you so much, Bill. This will really, really come in handy. Man, I am blown away. I mean, other bits like this. I mean, sometimes you run into situations where you just need that special bit to get the job done. And, you can go out and get an old screwdriver or an old piece of steel and grind these things down. And that's what a lot of gunsmiths do over the years. They make their own bits and keep them and use them. But wow, let's man, I'm blown away. Let's take a look at what we have here. We've got a sort of a T-handle bit driver. So if you need to get a little bit of torque on there, you can. We got a 1/4 inch, it looks like, and what is this? That is a 1/2 inch. And some of these guys, I'm not even sure. Like, I don't know quite what you would use this for. Now, it does have here a listing of all the different bits. Let me zoom in on that for you a little bit. Let me hold it up here. Maybe we can get a good look at that. Well, that is just incredible. Just incredible. Too much, Bill. Too much. Oh, yeah, here we've got a little ratcheting mechanism. Yeah, two-way ratcheting mechanism. What do we have here? Okay, so this spins freely. So sometimes you need to put some force down on something and spin it at the same time. So that is really cool. Man, look at, I think the other day probably one of these would have been what I needed. Let me show you. Let's find the suspect that we are discussing. It's right here. Now, let's see if I can get it to focus. Yes, there we go. See how wide that slot is? So that would require, yeah, something like that. Oops, sorry. Where you get a nice tight fit. Or, yeah, there you go. That's the money right there. There's just no wiggle. Good bite. Unbelievable. This is wonderful. Thank you so much, Bill. This will come in handy. And I'm going to leave a link to this down in the description. If anybody's interested in it, they can go check it out. And yeah, we're gonna do something for Mr. Bill Dye, because he helps not just me. He has helped a lot of guys on YouTube. He's very humble and generous man, and so we thank you, Bill. Thank you so much. God bless you, brother. The other thing that we got in the mail today was from TGCA regarding the fall show. The fall show is October 17th, 18th, and 19th, and it's at the Embassy Suites in Denison. I will be there, so if you want to meet, that is a good place to do it, because I'll be there all weekend, and they put on just an absolutely wonderful show. Now, if you're a member, anybody can go, anybody can attend. I think it's, let me make sure I get it right. The cost to enter the show, $10. So, yeah, cheap to get in. It starts Friday. If you're a member, 8 a.m. to set up, and show opens to the public at noon. $10 admission. And on Saturday, it opens to the public at 9 a.m. Again, $10. And then on Sunday, for members, it opens at 8 and 9 a.m. to the public. And again, $10 admission. And they've got a whole bunch of stuff going on that whole weekend. And it's all at the hotel there. Really, really good show. Highly recommend it if you're in the Dallas, Denton, Texas, Oklahoma area. Yeah, I'll leave a link to this in the down in the comments and description as well. So, guys, have a wonderful rest of your weekend, and thank you guys all for your support. If you like what we're doing over here at Firearms and Fellowship, please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment. I read all your comments, and I try to respond when I can. So we love you. God bless you. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.